Paddleboarding has received a huge boost in popularity in recent years, with many outdoor enthusiasts rushing to give this fun sport a try. If you're new to the sport, it makes perfect sense that you don't want to pay big bucks for a premium board straight away. There are many products available to choose cheap paddle boards, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap paddle boards from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Funwater Inflatable Ultralight. Lightweight, fast, and incredibly comfortable, the Funwater Ultralight paddleboard is ready for any challenge on the water. The unique thing about this model is that it's 35% lighter than other boards of its size, which makes it a lot easier to carry and transport. Besides the board itself, the package also includes several premium accessories, so you'll be getting fantastic value for a very reasonable price. Measuring 10 feet and 6 inches, the Funwater Ultralight board is one of the longer models in our reviews. Because of this, it's fairly fast on the water, and allows you to use it on longer rides too. Positive side of this product, 35% lighter than the other paddle boards of the same size. Number 2. Goplus 10 to 11 feet Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. The thing that stands out about the Goplus Inflatable SUP is its incredible weight capacity. Capable of supporting up to 440 pounds without sinking, it's ideal for tall and heavy riders that want to bring a lot of gear with them. In addition, it's very flexible when it comes to inflation pressure, and stays stable and rigid even with lower SI. With a thickness of 6 inches, the Goplus cheap paddle board guarantees excellent stability. As for the length, you have two options: 10 or 11 feet. We recommend that you choose the size based on your height, and go with the longer model if you are taller than average. As we pointed out, this paddleboard has the highest weight capacity compared to all the other models. This is possible thanks to the thick PVC shell that carries all the weight really well. Of course, as you would expect from all well-made boards, the core is reinforced with a drop stitch structure. Positive side of this product, high 440-pound weight capacity, works great for heavy riders. Excellent for all rider skill levels, beginner to professional. Good stability even if the board is not completely inflated. Number 3. Sport Premium Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. Thanks to a streamlined bottom equipped with 3 fins, the Sport Premium Inflatable Paddleboard is one of the easiest to paddle and maneuver. Considering that it's only 10 feet long, the speed it achieves on the water is impressive. On top of this, it's perfectly balanced, so both kids and adults can use it. At 10 feet long and 30 inches wide, the Sport uses the same dimensions as all the most popular recreational paddle boards. As we've mentioned, both the size and width cater to a wide array of paddler sizes. Furthermore, the board is 6 inches thick, which means that it's very stable and keeps you high above the water. Positive side of this product, premium thermosealed PVC construction for strength and durability. 6-inch thickness guarantees top-level stability even on choppy water. Number 4. Vilano Navigator Inflatable SUP Stand-Up Paddleboard. If you are new to the world of paddleboarding, the Vilano Navigator Inflatable SUP board can help you expand your skills in a very short amount of time. This design is rigid and durable, but still ultra-portable and easy to take anywhere. On top of this, the board also looks great and stands out on the water. With a width of 31 inches and a thickness of 6 inches, the Vilano Navigator ranks as a very stable and reliable beginner board. The length of 10 feet is pretty much a standard and provides the paddler a good all-around experience on the water. Much like the previous Vilano model we've featured. Positive side of this product, central grab handle and a shoulder strap for high portability level. Number 5. Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. The Goplus Inflatable Paddleboard is an excellent option for those of you looking for top-level comfort. The length and width are perfectly balanced, so you're getting a fairly fast board that won't feel tippy or allow you to fall into the water. In addition, it has a very high weight capacity, 330 pounds, so even with a body that measures 10 feet, the Goplus Inflatable Paddleboard gives you the perfect blend of speed and maneuverability. The width of 30 inches is more than enough to keep the board stable, while the 6-inch thickness gives the board the necessary firmness. The construction of this board is very impressive considering its price. The outer shell is made from rugged PVC, while the interior has reinforcements that add to the strength. Because of this, you can use the Goplus Inflatable Paddleboard for various purposes. Positive side of this product. Large padded deck and thick body provide unparalleled comfort. Strong and stable enough to withstand harsh water conditions. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.